And right now at 9:30, Local 10's Care Force has been activated. We pushed that button and donations are coming in full swing now.
Yes, they are. We are looking for your help. South Florida people hit hardest by Hurricane Irma continue to rebuild. Let's go back to Local 10 News reporter Sanella Sabovic live outside of our WPLG studios here in Pembroke Park with details on how you can get involved. Hi, Sanella.
Hi, Eric and Christy. We certainly have some very caring Local 10 viewers. They've already been coming here for the past hour. And as you can see, we've already started receiving a lot of items. But we know that the devastation in the Keys is great. A lot of people don't have homes, don't have running water, food, electricity. So we definitely need to help out our friends down south. And as you can see, a lot of water here. Items for babies, so important. A lot of personal hygiene products. And we had a lady come here roughly about 5 minutes ago. She brought 24 bags filled with all sorts of items from shampoos, conditioners, toothbrushes, toothpaste. So we've seen a great response already and are here standing with our Community Relations Director, Maite Padron, who is organizing this. Tell us why this is so important today.
It is so important because the need is great. Hurricane Irma impacted such a huge section of Florida. So there are a lot of our neighbors in need and we just want to be there for them.
Maite, tell us, where is this going exactly?
We are working with a nonprofit organization. As a matter of fact, we have worked with them many times in the past, so we know them. We know the way they operate. They are well known in the Keys. They are a food pantry, so they service the entire Keys from Key Largo to Key West with food, non-perishables, obviously, but also personal hygiene products, baby supplies and diapers, adult diapers and supplies and wipes, all sorts of things. We're going to go straight to them and deliver it to them.
Definitely going to those that need it the most. Thank you so much for speaking to us. And again, Maite touched a little bit upon what we need, but this is the list of items that we are collecting today. Again, non-perishable food items definitely need cases of water, baby diapers and wipes, trash bags, disposable gloves. The items that we are not collecting, large items such as furniture and appliances, and of course, food that requires refrigeration that can go bad, we're definitely not accepting those items. And there are 2 drop-off locations here at our studios at 3401 West Hallandale Beach Boulevard in Pembroke Park. And if you're a bit north of here, you can drop off your items at Interiors by Stephen G at 2818 Centerport Circle. They are located in Pompano Beach. Again, we are collecting all of these items until 7 o'clock tonight. We are trying to fill up this large truck right here, 27-foot truck. So again, if you have items inside of your home, if you have some time, please do come here. The need is great. We certainly want to help our friends down in the Keys. I'll send it back to you, Christy and Eric.